Hello, today I decided to do an unboxing for two boxes for the Digimon 2020 card game Ultimate Power Booster set. I have skipped the first one because I didn't care for it too much. I'm more of a fan of the darker Digimons, as you can tell by my Devimon Digivice, my Demidevimon, and my Devimon over there in the corner. So without further ado, I'm going to do a jump cut and then we can start this unboxing. Okay, so I got both boxes open, and the first thing that I really like about these types is that they give you special cards for buying the box. I think there's 10, I'm not sure, but each one is different. I did unfortunately buy these from two different places, so these could both be the same cards. Whereas if they were in sequential, it would probably be less likely. I'm going to save these to unpack to last because I'm excited about what they could be. So let's just start digging in. We're going to go from left to right and just start unpacking. Normally I like seeing if I can keep at least one pack looking nice. I'm not sure in this case that I'm going to be able to do that. I have a pair of scissors to help me unpack. Alright, so they give you a life card. I did not know that. That's pretty cool. We got Baby. We got an Agumon. Not familiar with this guy. Vmon, Special Attack, and Gallantmon, Special Attack. So that's pretty cool. I will, after all this, kind of lay them out, show what we got. So that we'll get a better idea of the spread. Okay, so here's the Player 2 one. So that's pretty neat. We got a Gomamon, Metal Greymon, Special Attack. Another one I'm not familiar with. Vademon or Myotismon, depending on which one you're going with. And a Caramon. I'm super happy about Caramon. Again, I am a big fan of the darker ones. Nothing against the main Digimon. I just always found the darker ones more interesting. So we got another Player 1. I'm going to stop showing those. We got Wizardmon, Weregarurumon, Andromon, ability, Ikakumon, Salamon, I believe. And this is a Rustranamon attack. I would love a Devimon or anything like that. We got a Biomon, a Block Agumon, a Myotismon ability, Garudamon, Metal Growlmon ability, it looks like, and we got a Metal Seadramon. That's pretty cool. I like Four Masters. I thought the Dark Masters, they were another cool thing. Of the original series, my favorites were probably Evil Digimon-wise. Apocalypse, I definitely loved his look. And then also Devimon, of course. We got Hagoromon, I believe. Looks like we got a nice shiny one in the back. Numamon. Don't remember this one's name. Greymon. Vidramon. And we got ourselves Metal Garurumon, which is Pretty cool. Of the main ones, I like Tentomon the best, I think. He was pretty cool. So I got Impmon, another one I'm really happy with. I like Impmon. Guiomon. Neat. Agatomon attack. Oh god, I can't remember this one's name. I want to say Impmon, but that's not right. They're impish. Megadramon. Sunamon. I think. I can't. That one I'm happy. So now we can give Caramon a nice level appropriate to the movies. I wouldn't mind getting Armageddonmon. He'd be cool. So we got this guy, which, again, I don't know him. Off the top of my head. He's a newer one. Betamon. Cherrymon attack. We got a Garurumon, so now we got Garurumon, Were-Garurumon, and Metal Garurumon. Guilmomon's pre-evolved form. Chimeramon. Oh, that's so cool. I love Chimeramon. Got to take out the life one. Life drawer. So far, I'm super happy with these. Again, I didn't care for the first pack. I looked it over, and there was only the Patamon recolor was the one that I really would like. So I didn't see a point in buying it. We got a Seadramon, Gabumon. We got another attack. I don't recognize that. Digimon. We got a green Agumon. That's interesting. Birdramon. We got Tai. That's neat. I would like it if in later sets they moved on to the other series, because that'd be cool. I'd like to see an Atmon crossover. Don't think that's going to happen. I never was able to get the rest of the Atmon chips, which is why I didn't finish uploading or doing reviews of the Apply drives. I can't remember this one's name, but his name is the same throughout his entire thing. It's another form of that guy, the dragon one again, I think. Chimeramon attack. That's pretty cool. I like that. Tranamon. This is Caramon's next form. I can't remember it. Chryslamon, I think? And Rise Greymon to go along with the Agumon we got earlier. That's pretty neat. The first Agumon, the one with the arm things, which was from Digimon Savers? I didn't watch a lot of Savers. I liked it, I just didn't watch it. We got Numon. It's the same one in the line that I don't know. Maybe it's new to this. Yeah, see, like these two. They're definitely from the same line. The Gatomon attack. Oh, an Inframon attack. And, Exvidramon, I believe? I really should have brushed up before opening these. Giving myself some pointers. We got two more in this stack, which means we are about a quarter of the way through. I hope I'm able to upload all this. So we got Seadramon, Garudamon, Haguramon, which he was one of my favorite rookies, I think. Myotismon attack, Growlmon. Oh, yes. Yeah, a Diaboromon. This is wonderful. Oh, I'm so happy with this one. I'm gonna try and build a deck based on the evil guys because I like that. I like them a lot. I'm gonna have to do more research on the cards. I bought a bunch of decks. I bought 2 of each of the starters that released, so I could keep one and play around with another one. We got a Kakumon. We got that same baby. A Vikemon attack. The Green Agumon again. A Puppetmon attack. We got Kari. And that takes out our first row. We got Geogreymon. The Cherrymon attack again. The baby, or the rookie version of something. The Black Agumon. Cherrymon. And what is this? Impmon's? It is. It's Impmon's baby form. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'm definitely going to have to brush up on their abilities and everything when I make a deck. Because I want to make a good deck. I don't want it just to be like, these are my favorites, although that'd be cool. We got Gomamon, that same baby again, Numamon, Pumpkinmon, another one of my favorites. I liked Pumpkinmon and Gatsumon from the Myotis Monarch. We got Beelzemon. And we got Ophanimon. That's pretty cool. Not expecting her in this set all about darkness. But whatever. Let's grab 2. This one looks like I'm getting a glance of another big shiny one in the back. We got a Biomon, Geomon, Metal Greymon, the same attack that I don't know who it is, Magdramon, and another Diaboromon. Is that the same one or is that a different one? It is a different one. Oh, that's neat. Now I have 2. I'm guessing one of them is like rarer than the other. Which that's fine. I think the first one was rarer than the other because it looks a lot better. I haven't really kept up with TCGs or CCGs with the rarities because it's just gotten out of control. Vmon, Gardramon, Gatomon attack, Gatomon, Sora. Because if you're trying to play competitively, then you're just going to end up spending way too much money. And that's what really killed TCGs for me. So this I'm doing all pretty much for fun. I'll probably build a couple of decks, get my friends to play with me. We got Garudamon. We got that one again. Hagurumon again. I don't remember. I want to say Pabumon, but that doesn't sound right. Ultra Vidramon attack. And a Piedmon attack. I really would like a Piedmon. Again, I'm just saying that I really like the villains. Villains are always so much more interesting to me. They have so much more character to them, pretty much in any medium. Because there's so many things that can make a villain a villain. Good guys do things because it's good most of the time. Garudamon, Betamon, Weregarurumon, an Andromon attack. It's the baby form's much bigger form. And oh, she's from the games. I can't remember. U-Force Vidramon is her partner. I don't remember her name. I haven't played much. The only Japanese version that I played was the Atmon game, which was great because I bought all those chips, and you can use the chips in the game. Seeing another real shiny one. We got an Angelomon, Gabumon, Impmon, that one again. It's Vmon, Demi-Vmon, that's what it is. And then we got Gallantmon. Alright, Gallantmon's pretty cool. I would have liked Chaos Gallantmon a little more, but I'm happy with him. We still haven't pulled a Devamon, which that upsets me because we've already gone through about a third of these at this point. And I really want a Devamon. We got a Vikemon attack. That same dragony one. Greymon. This is the one that has the same name through all of them again. A Gatsumon, nice. That's great. I'm gonna keep it with the Pumpkinmon. Then we got Metal Tyrannomon, I believe. It's been a while. I'm surprised I haven't gotten a Devamon yet. Because Devamon's only a champion. Champions should be more common in these, I imagine. Myotismon attack. Wizardmon. Akakumon. Agumon. There he is. Oh. Hooray. I'm very happy. This is the one that I probably wanted the most. And we got... Oh, this is Venomyotismon. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to keep that one right there. I'm just... That is the one that I would have been super salty about if I didn't pull that. Let's face it, he's the one that I really got this entire set for. We got a Seadramon. Looks like we got another big shiny one in the back. That same one. The Chimeramon attack. Tyrannomon. That's another one of that one's forms. And we got Burst Greymon? No, it's Burst Mode. Shine Greymon Burst Mode. Or just Shine Greymon. Alright, nice. That's a Zig form. I'm not wild about him, but whatever. Again, I got this box really for the Dark Digimons, because, again, their motives are so much more interesting than heroes, which are just like, I want to do good. Villains may want to reshape the world in their image. We got Gardramon, Andromon. I like Andromon a lot. I like High Andromon too. A Pumpkinmon. Is this a different one? It might be. A Vikemon attack. High Andromon. Nice. Same pack. And I don't know who that is at all. But yeah, villains may want to reshape the world in their image. They may want... Maybe they're like misguided and they think they're doing good. There's so much more from villains than from heroes. Heroes are just like the original ones. They're just like, oh, we gotta save the digital worlds. Whereas all the villains kind of had different motivations. That same one again. Geogreymon. Mega Seadramon, I believe. Angelomon. Vikemon, nice. and Metal Growlmon again. So that's the first box finished. I'm going to move it out of the way so we can get our Digivice back in frame. Maybe help us get us some better pulls. Not that the pulls were bad. We got Impmon, Gomamon, the new training one, the Dragon one I don't know, Guilmon's in training form, and Aerovedramon. Yeah, like villains can be manipulated. That doesn't happen too often with heroes. So I just find it a lot more interesting. Garudamon, Gabumon, Hyandramon attack. Don't remember those guys. Birdramon, and another Kari. I'm starting to go a little faster as we're getting dupes. So we got Garurumon, that one again, Chimeramon attack, Tyrannomon, Chrysalismon, I believe, and Metaldramon's attack. I feel bad that I can't remember his name. Machinedramon, there it is. Oof. Felt super bad about that. Because he's one of the Dark Masters. The flying guy again. Myodosmon attack. Angewomon. The imp things again. Infermon's attack. U-Force Vidramon. Alright. Not bad. I'm also trying to go a little faster because I don't want this going on for like 40 minutes. Vmon, Hyandramon attack. That same one again. Andromon, Growlmon, Joe. Alright. Those two booster packs are just tempting me over in the corner. Dragon guy again. In training, Betamon, Puppetmon attack, Puppetmon. Okay, I like that. I think that's our first Dark Master. Because we got Machinedramon's attack. We didn't get Machinedramon. No, we got Metal Seedramon. Okay, so that's the second one. So we got Seedramon, Metal Greymon, Cherrymon attack, Zoodamon, and Phoenixmon. Alright, that's pretty cool. Since I did buy 2 of each starter decks, I'm probably going to mess around with one of them, swap some stuff out, put other stuff in. That's the entire reason why I bought them, because I wanted to keep one as they're supposed to be and mess around with the other. We got Nikakumon, Geogreymon, we got another big shiny one in the back, Gardramon, don't know who attack, Demidevimon, oh yeah, hooray. Oh, that's cool. I'm really liking that artwork too. And that looks like a Chimeramon. But it's got machine... Is this the Z Millenniumon? Maybe? That's pretty neat. I like that. But I got both of our guys that were standing out to help. Hooray. I'd like to see them bring... What is it? Neo Devimon to the game, because that'd be cool. Again, I just love the darker ones. We got Biomon, Wergarurumon, Numamon, In Training, Metal Seadramon's attack, and Shine Greymon's attack. I call it Shine Greymon's attack. I think anyone can use those. I haven't brushed up on the rules yet. I wanted to open my box and then brush up on the rules so I could see what I actually had and what was worth looking at. Looks like this one's got another big shiny. Gabumon, Mega Seadramon, Agumon, Bikemon attack. That same bigger guy starts with an A. I can't remember. He's got the same name again through all his forms. And then War Greymon. Pretty cool. So with that, quickly, we've gotten Devimon off the cover. We've gotten War Greymon. We've gotten Galamon. We've gotten Shine Greymon. Which means we just need Machine Dramon and Piedmon. And we'll have all the ones off the cover. That'd be cool. I would like to get those two also, because then we would have all Dark Masters, which would be neat. We got Black Agumon, Guiomon, Agumon from Savers, which is yellow, so again, that's a nice, another different color. Gomamon, Gadomon's in training, and we got Matt. I also haven't seen the new series yet. I like binge watching shows, so I'm gonna wait until it all comes out, and then I'll just watch it all at once. Andromon attack, Wizardmon, Garurumon, Impmon, Tapirmon, I believe. I don't remember Bakumon in Japanese, I think. I think they switched that one over. And Inframon. Nice. Okay. I like that because now I think we have all of his stages. So it's another nice dark one that I could do with purples. Same attack. Mega Seadramon, Wergarurumon, Betamon, Demivimon, Rustyranimon's attack. Did we not? Oh no, Rustyranimon's is the shiny. I just couldn't tell with the border. Looks so similar with the yellow. I started doing card games back before they did the shiny cards. I think the first game I played was either Magic the Gathering or Overpower. I don't remember. Vikemon, I believe, or Zudamon. I can't. Block Agumon, Agumon, another Devimon. Nice. And another of the boy that I don't know. We're getting down in packs. We got Garudamon, Vmon, another in training, Gutsumon, and a Caramon. Ooh, very nice. Did I not have a Caramon? Maybe I didn't. I thought we already did. Well, now we definitely have all of them. I mean, besides Armageddon, which, that'd be neat. I think I like the way that they stack these packs, where the shiny ones at the back. We got Geogreymon, the Dragon Bird again, Chimeramon's attack, Tyrannomon, the one that's got the same name through all its forms, and another Metal Seadramon. Nice. Another in training. One with the same name through all stages. Biomon. Garurumon. One with the same name through all stages. And a Gallantmon attack. I haven't been keeping count, but it looks like we've got about 6 or 7 left. Gardramon, Numamon, Andromon attack, Andromon, Hi Andromon. This feels like a themed pack, like they did in HeroClix. And Metal Seadramon. I played HeroClix for a good while, and again, got out of it because if you want to play competitively, you have to buy so much every single set. Dinosaur guy again. It reminds me of Burning Crusade, I think it was. World of Warcraft. I don't remember that drag's name. Agumon, Betamon, Cherrymon's attack, Ufanimon's attack, and another Venomiotismon. I wonder if there's a Malamiotismon. That'd be cool. I don't expect it.